two sub-units, sub-segments, which was established by the framework over learning indicators. Today, we see otherwise third part of this framework, that is tools and techniques. Tools and techniques of assessment. Tools and techniques inseparable. Tools unnataite definitely besides technique is there. If technique is there, the tool must along with the technique. విడరాని అనుబంధం వీటికి ఈ రెండు కలిస్తేనే we can take the pen and rough notebook also. విడరాని అనుబంధం కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు కలిస్తేనే ఆ పాఠాన్ని ఆ టాపిక్ ను ఎక్కడ కూడా అంతరాయం లేకుండా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ చేసేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం ఉన్నది. సో అసెస్మెంట్ ఆ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ లో టూల్ అండ్ టెక్నిక్స్ learning for learning and teaching. This method is topmost suggestive. Note down please. Topmost suggestive and perceptive for perfectness of solving the problem. And also as per the need, whenever you need, this tool mechanism or technique mechanism will be changed as you when and where there you can empower to modify it. This is the number one effective assessment chapter. Tool and techniques wide rangely can be applied for the education policies for learning and teaching. Learner is the centered as per the Jerome Bruner, and teacher is only directing and directed, learned and directed. This is both tools and techniques are mutually beneficiaries, firmly rooted in good practices at everywhere in every nation. It can reach whatever you want beyond that limits also. You can't expect in your dream also. It will give rise that much response of the education policies for learning, teaching, by teaching and techniques of this method. So, ikkada CCE will be continuing forever. Continuous comprehensive evaluation will be parasite running with the tools and techniques of the assessment. Assessment will be taking place by the self or group to reach what they wanted to destiny point by the teacher and learner, because it is most beneficiary ornamental education policy for both teacher and student. No single tool cannot be reached the goal. It cannot be solved by a single tool. Almost all many tools and techniques which were given by the parents, society, journals, magazines, particularly by the mentor of teacher, reviewing also will taking place for your destiny point. So many tools, many techniques will give many results beyond your expectation of this teaching practice. Then I'm going for tool. This is the fundamental tool. Tool is the fundamental tool, advanced for science and other subjects also for knowing the new knowledge. To perform of task means I can say problem. Goal reach avvadaniki to perform of task, the goal, this can be creating a wonderful play. It is, tool is nothing but refined research to ascertain of your expectation. The refined research to ascertain your expectation of lesson plan. Example for this one, poultry, agriculture, fisheries, and vegetable, organic, inorganic, population, controlling, healthy, hazard, and vaccine, environment, laboratory, firm, project, and then the food processing also. Whereas here, examples, tools and tools is over now, technique. It is the assignment. Technique means what technique you are going to utilize. ఏం ప్రయత్నం చేసినావు, ఏమి కమ్మత్ చేసినావు, ఏం ప్రయత్నం చేసినావు, ఏ కైస్కాల పడ్డావు అని అంటారు మన ముసలి వాళ్ళంతా, పెద్దవాళ్ళంతా అనుభవంతో. విత్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ దే కెన్ యూజ్ ద డైలాగ్. What technique you have utilized to reach your expected studies goal. That is the technique. Each technique by the assignment and exams, quiz, debate, elocution, and group discussion, and library, club activity, experiments, researches will be the basic points for techniques. This technique has given in the year 1975 Gardner, by the Gardner. This technique is the holistic drastically practiced since from few decades. These techniques are playing a vital role for education purpose since decades 20, 30, 100 years నుంచి కూడా ఇది పనిచేస్తా ఉన్నది. So this is the pathway, this is the way, this is the national way, this is the beacon lamp, this is the way where you are going to reach your point of closing. And then systematic manner, scientifically, etc. Example, oral examination, oral test, viva, and then written test, practical, observation, interviews, quiz, checklist on computer with pointing the question and writing the pen and pencil on paper, and come the e-exam is there with pointing the examination by the operator or by the finger. This is the technique, latest technique, giving a good than tool, but it is linked with the tool. Unless until both kanukunnataithe, easily they can allow for getting the neo knowledge, novelty, and quality and quantity also. So here, these tools, number C, which was derived by the framework, it is the number one is the written test. Written test. Written test, yeah, you take some definition. It is nothing but odd, O-D-D, odd otherwise, and almost amazing relationship with exams, but we never focused with a $1 million question: who defined, who invented, from which item it has arrived. The written test is the dynamic step for giving the examination. So, $1 million question is here. Henry A. Fischl, US based, he has invented this written test portfolio in the century of 19th century. అప్పుడే కనుక్కోవడం జరిగింది. అప్పుడే ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ ఈ మధ్యలో, బట్ 2000 years ancient period, the China rooted this under the Aiwash emperor that is known as Zhang of Hen అనేవాడు 2000 సంవత్సరాల క్రితమే the written test examination was with his eyes which is direction. It was the foundation for that implementation for throughout world also. దీంట్లో హెన్రీ ఏ ఫస్టల్ ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ యూనివర్సిటీ అండ్ కేంబ్రిడ్జ్ యూనివర్సిటీ particularly they were introduced December 14 UK at UK December 14th 1958 at Cambridge and then Oxford University. It is meant for only, applied for only, applicably meant for only boys only, because there is a disparity for giving the examination on par with the gender domination. Ladies were not given at that moment. సో అప్పుడే కేవలము బాయ్స్ మాత్రమే ఇచ్చినటువంటి పని ఇన్ ది ఇయర్ 1958 డిసెంబర్ 14. దానికి సాడ్లర్ SADLER in 1989 they emphasized about this written test in detail for the purpose of useful and usage for the entire environmental, nature and global level. దీంట్లో రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ సబ్ లేస్ గా 1, 2 ఆ తర్వాత 3 డివైడ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నవి. రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ మస్ట్ బి వెయిటేజ్ టు యూనిట్. ది యూనిట్ విచ్ వాస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్ బై యూ. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనే పదం వచ్చినప్పుడు నాన్న బయాలజికల్ సైన్స్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఇన్ అదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆల్సో, బికాస్ మాటి చెప్తున్నా అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనే పదం వచ్చినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 5 వాడాల్సిందే. సార్ ఊరికే వాడతాను నేను సార్ పాడతానని నన్ను తిట్టద్దు ఆయన. ఖచ్చితంగా 5 అనేది బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఆన్ ది బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సిస్టమ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఒక 20 పదాలు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని సైంటిఫిక్ పదాలు. ఆ తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనగానే 5 రాయాల్సిందే. ఎందుకు? నువ్వు ఏదన్నా చేయి 5 వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రం ఆ పాట వాడాల్సిందే. ఏది పుట్టుబొమ్మ అని అది ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ చేస్తేనే ఇది కంపల్సరీ. సో డోంట్ ఫీల్ దట్ నవ్ అండ్ దెన్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా బాగా వాడతాను సార్ అది డినే చేయండి అని అంటే అది ఇచ్చిన సిస్టమ్ మీ బుక్లలో కంపల్సరీ. అది ఎక్కడొస్తే దాన్ని మీరు వాడాల్సిందే. సో ఏదైతే చెప్పినావో యూనిట్, టోటల్ యూనిట్ షుడ్ బి కవర్డ్ ఫర్ ఫ్రేమింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఒక్కటి ఏంటిది అని అంటే సబ్జెక్ట్, ఏ క్లాస్ 9th ఏంటిది, biological science or physical science and social studies and maths, and then total marks and time, how much you have given. Like 3 hours, 45 minutes, it is up to you. On that basis, time secure మొత్తం షెడ్యూలింగ్ లో నువ్వు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ తయారు చేయాలి. దాంట్లో కూడా ఏంటిది లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్, వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్, ఆ తర్వాత ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్. ఇక్కడ మీకు నెంబర్ బి వెయిటేజ్ టు లర్నింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. మళ్ళీ అదొకటే కాదు, unit complete and on the basis of objectives also for learning you have to maintain this item. These types of this thing మళ్ళీ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ బేస్ లో కానీ రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ లో కానీ both 2 system is there. ఒకటేమో సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ గ్రూప్, అండ్ one is the content and weightage. The both will be assessment for evaluation by the tools and techniques for the education policies. ఆ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటిది అని అంటే desired changes took place. Mental activity, this one, mental ability, observation, mental successful rate reach కావాలంటే tools and techniques వాడాల్సిందే. He has to select purposefully, scientifically, systematically for giving the examination imparting to the student. Next ఏంటిది అంటే మళ్ళీ again the written test will be, types of written test will be divided into 4 parts. One is MCQ, multiple choice question, and VSA, and VSA very short answer, essay, answer. It is based on Bloom's taxonomy in 1956 ఇచ్చినటువంటిది. అదేమో 1D. This 2D revised Bloom's taxonomy 2001 on the basis of AD, CD, AD and PD. దీనినే బేస్ అయినటువంటి RBT రివైజ్డ్ బ్లూమ్స్ టాక్సానమీ బేస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి మొత్తం కూడా 6 items. One is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ టు స్పెసిఫిక్. ఇది బేస్ అయి ఉండాల్సిందే. ఇక్కడ రిటన్ టెస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. రిటన్ టెస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. ఇంకొక చిన్న ఐటమ్ రాసుకున్నానా, ఇట్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్, ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్, content, scope, language, assessing, difficulty, delimited, and value. In this way, written test is over. Now, the project work under C, written test A and C is the project work. This has been invented by William H. Kilpatrick. William H. Kilpatrick, 1908. 1908. AACE, American Association of Coast Education, in the year 1950. American Association of Coast Education, AACE, in the year 1950, by the DuPont Corporation, Qing Dynasty Emperor. The name is Shi Hong Kronwall. And also Henry Gantt, Henry Gantt, 1917, which was made by him charts till today with impressively. Till today we are utilizing the charts which was made by 1970 year low. Henry Gantt ఇచ్చినటువంటి charts still we are under usage. That's all. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ China product is the producers. China is the producing. Project work is more powerful at China. They are producing, sharing the knowledge. While they are producing the number of items, ultimately the hidden knowledge will be inherited and acquired by the new policies. So ultimately China people కుటీర పశం లాగా అన్నిట్లో ఆరితేరి ఉన్నారు. దానికి కూడా ఇప్పుడు రాబోయే కాలం చైనా డౌన్ అయ్యి ఇండియా కూడా అగ్రరాజ్యం అయ్యేటువంటి పరిస్థితి మీరు చూడబోతున్నారు. ఇది accelerate. Project work is the accelerate for getting the neo knowledge, adding to the PPK. It has been divided into 4 parts. One is practical, and then appreciation. Project work success అయిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే కాళేశ్వరం ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ కేసీఆర్ was appreciating, he is appreciating now and then, even now also. అట్లాగే solve the problem, and then acquisition of skill, latest skill, new skill. గమ్యం చేరింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మీకు చిన్న డెఫినేషన్స్ రాసుకోండి. ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఏ scientifically planned and formatted for piece of study involving a task and problem solvation. The project work is divided into 2 parts. One is class, second one is laboratory work. Laborious work will be there in laboratory, but the result is same in a such a way how much you are going to participate, same ratio will be giving the result. Sometimes it may occur failure and success, but we should not disappoint for until till success ayanta matku. Learning, it is the project work is the learning by doing, doing by the learning. ఇప్పుడు మీరు లర్నింగ్ బై డూయింగ్, ఈటింగ్ బై డూయింగ్, ఇది ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ ఏమో లర్నింగ్ బై డూయింగ్, డూయింగ్ బై లర్నింగ్. దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ ఈస్ creativity to solve even unsolved problems with a spirit, inquiry, even full stop. Students will face with a full confidence, with narration of answers, explanations, with a enthusiastic, with a eye contact to the audience without fear complex. This project work is for execution to create modern and model generate under the guidance of your most respected teacher. But the teacher must be empowered up to the mark to you. It can be treated as a program of projects and also scheduled temporarily or permanently. This project work, you can able to get the assistance to improve your enthusiastic knowledge by the teacher, journals, library, internet, Instagram, WhatsApp, science magazines, clubs, seminars, expertise advertisements, clubs, science magazines. So project work is over. Now the field trip or diary. డైరీ అనగానే మనకు కొత్త సంవత్సరంలో ఎవ్రీబడి యూస్ టు ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ డైరీ. నౌడేస్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ కేరింగ్ ద డైరీస్ with our busy lives, but we recapitulate somebody writing the diary. Even 5 paisala Kotmir also, they are maintaining the record in the diary. After that, this field trip is giving a instant neo acquisition knowledge to the brains of learners. In 1827, George Shilbet on Quaker School. He was the employee pertaining for that institution at UK. He rendered his service for getting the field trips to the students for achieving the neo-exemplary education acquiring. Klassen Farhat, Germany scientist. He rendered wonderful services, enormous services for the field trips. 2 lakhs visitors of students at US at Connie Sinota. They used to maintain every year art gallery. Even 2002 to 2007, the gathering will be in such a large way that field trip to be accommodated for 2 lakh students of field trip at US. Now also it is underpassing about this thing. So art gallery 2 లక్షల మందిని అకామిడేషన్ చేసే పరిస్థితి ఉన్నది అని అంటే just you believe how much the field trip is taking place for getting the tool and the techniques of the assessment. For this, just you take some description, note down please. Field trip, it is nothing but a excursion trip, jolly trip, to awareness trip, education acquiring trip, a journey for a new place from old place to grasp the environmental field of tremendous and useful, purposeful, scientific education which are dire necessity for our lifestyle, which is the dire necessity for our style of life. School trip, the title has given for field trip. The school trip titled by the UK and New Zealand. For field trip అనే పదానికి పర్యాయ పదం వాళ్ళు they can use in their countries. In New Zealand and UK, it can be called as titling as the field trip బదులు school trip. School, the Ireland nation has given that title to the field trip because they are very consigned to the nearer to the school. So that only they have given the school trip or school tour in that way. We have given other countries have given approximate గా దానికి ఏం చేసినామనంటే ఫీల్డ్ ట్రిప్ అని పెట్టాము. ఇట్ కెన్ బి అప్లికేబుల్ ఈవెన్ ఫర్ other departments also. Sometime agriculture purpose, somebody will take in place for the agriculture research station for those who are working in agriculture departments and ensuing to be recruited for the agriculture purpose. అటువంటి పరిస్థితిలో ఉన్నది కాబట్టి మన వాళ్ళు ఇట్లా అన్నారు వాళ్ళు అట్లా అన్నారు అని అంటే టు అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ న్యూ నేచర్, the hidden knowledge will be acquired for adding our brain for soft life. This field trip is the first hand. This field trip is the first hand study to be enriched in such a way the never endless process is there. But award for them, those who are going and if sometime if he forgotten, with a recapitulation again he will get the rewinding the knowledge of that field trip. అప్పుడప్పుడు వల్ల వేసుకుంటా ఉంటాడు, చాలా చక్కగా ఉన్నది అప్పుడు ఏమేం చేసామని. దిస్ కెన్ బి acquired కూర్చో సువాస్. This can be acquired by visiting the zoos. Zoos అంటే not JUICE, zoo, JWS. చిరుతపులు నేను హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చి పరేషాన్ చేసింది, సో అది కాదు. జూస్, museums, planetarium, botanical gardens, hospitals, factories, industries. Particularly for physical science, Coimbatore GD Naidu exhibition is there. Around the country, up to 8 o'clock night, it can be working, functioning. There you can find a watch in front of wall clock. That is reinforcement balancing having with the building. Whenever that it is going to stop that watch, the entire building will be closed. That GD Naidu in extra information, he has given challenge role with the then Prime Minister of Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1964. I can provide within the 3,000 rupees 4-wheeler jeep or car, but our government did not give any permission for them. Ambassador Guda 1969 Hindustan Motors Limited వాళ్ళకు నాకు రెనోవేషన్ చేయడానికి రీమోడల్ చేయడానికి ఇవ్వండి అని అంటే they never get it. So we are parasite for getting the import vehicles అన్ని కూడా జీడీ, అవన్నీ జీడీ హెక్టార్ అని. ఇంకా రేపు వచ్చే టెస్లా కార్ ఈజ్ ద నెంబర్ 1 కార్ ఇన్ అమెరికా. అప్ టు 2025 మార్కెట్ ఈజ్ దేర్ without fuel, only current based electricity charging. Okay, I am stopping here for interaction. My action is over, my dear students. Now I would like to take the reactions from you. And also I am inviting for this class to give lecture as you desire. I am informing I have every conference brigadier confidence in you. You can cherish this class, so that I am inviting in line for online classes. Whatever you want to do, teach to the co-students, most welcome. Yeah, action is over from my side. Now I would like to solicit the reactions from you. Anybody? Somebody?
We don't have